Welcome to the channel, guys. Hey, I'm no expert, but let's get this door system from American Adventure Lab installed. First things first. What I have in the Wrangler here is the American Adventure Lab Mass Platform Plus. And I've had it installed now for about two and a half years or so, and just intended to build, you know, my storage doors and everything on it. So today is the day. I got a really good deal for Black Friday on this stuff, and now today it's just warm enough that we can maybe install this. So we're going to walk you through the install of these American Adventure Lab drawers. So the first thing that we had to do was actually remove the drawers themselves so that we could access these plates here. In order to remove the drawers from the drawer box, there's 4 of these bolts, and they're 3/16. So you're gonna need a 3/16 Allen wrench to get these out. And you also notice too, with the Platform Plus, you know, this really convenient storage compartment here is now gonna be inaccessible. So for me, I don't have anything in there. I mean, I had like my hatchet and things like that, but some people put their power in there, their lithium battery and whatnot, and I do not have that. Haven't figured out my power yet, but so these are going to be empty now because I can't access them. So after you have the drawers removed, then you're going to need to secure the shell of the drawer box to the mass platform, and you're going to need a 5/32 Allen wrench to do that. Okay folks, interesting turn of events here. It's just too hard to reach all the way back there, and so what we're using now is this long extension to go way down in there. Really, that's kind of like the only way you can access it, way in the back there. So that's what the plan is now. All right, so that worked pretty well. We got those all screwed in there. So this is pretty solid right now. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take these dog bone connectors, and they're gonna get threaded through this shell, and then that is how you actually secure each layer or each shelf onto one another, is with these dog bone connectors here. It's the neighbor's geese or peacocks. I don't know what they got over there, but they're loud. Right now we just gotta tighten up the drawer slides back onto the drawers. Moment of truth, let's check it out and make sure that it's gonna clear those screws. Doesn't clear the screws. Drawer was hitting the bolts or the screws that are in here. They only gave us 2 sizes. Let me show you real quick. They only gave us 2 sizes of these things. And the small one is like too small, and then this one is too long because the drawer is hitting on it. So I hate to say it, but this is like typical American Adventure Lab stuff. Every time we get something, there's no installation instruction, and there's a lot of parts and pieces, and they don't really tell you what to do with them. Watched their video, and it didn't address this issue. They just were like, oh yeah, put these dog bone connectors in, and bada boom, bada bing. But yeah, no, they really need to do a better job at install instructions. So right now I am working at taking out these bolts again. We'll pull the drawer out. We will pull these connectors off, and I think, I don't know, it's getting dark and it's getting cold again, so we might just call it a night and try it again tomorrow. Somehow I got talked into continuing this project, so we're just gonna keep going here. We're taking out the long bolts. So I'm just taking out one of the long bolts at a time. So I'll take this one out, and then I'm gonna replace it with the short bolt, and then I'll take the other long bolt out and put the short one in. again, I mean, it's like, I don't know, American Adventure Lab just needs to do a better job. We bought an overhead molle panel for the rear of the Gladiator. It goes in a Gladiator or in a Wrangler. And the one that I have in my Wrangler came in one piece. It took me 5 minutes to install. It was, can't remember what brand it was, but I'll see if I can find the brand, and then I'll put the link for that in the comments. But I also got an American Adventure Lab one, and I got it for Jim, and came in like, I don't know how many pieces did it come in? 3 pieces, plus it had some straps too, and we're like, what what is this? You tried looking online to find directions, and I don't know, how did you end up, did you find directions? No. So yeah, he just had to wing it. They provide you a QR code that says to scan it for instructions, and it just takes you to their website, you know, to purchase stuff. So that's the frustrating thing about American Adventure Lab, but you know what? I love their designs, and we do have a lot of their stuff, so I guess we're willing to suffer through it. Got all the long bolts swapped out to the shorter ones, got the drawer put back on again, and now the moment of truth again to see if it clears. All right, it's good to go. Got the second shell on, just getting that tightened down. We'll get this drawer in, and then I think we're gonna finish this tomorrow. I'm back at it today. Just gotta get the dog bone connectors into this. I already got one in there. This shouldn't take too long. Should be done with this very shortly. Because I have the fishbone shelf up there, this top drawer had a little bit of a unique challenge. We ended up having to use a stubby extension on the ratchet to get those bolts into the drawer frame. Thanks for watching, everyone. Up next is the American Adventure Lab's 40% Seat Delete.